गुड मॉर्निंग बच्चों। टुडे वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द एपोमिक्सिस एंड पॉलीएम्ब्रियोनी. Apomixis is a special mechanism of production of seed. In the some species of plant, there is a special mechanism of reproduction in which seeds are produced without fertilization. Most of the plant species, seeds are produced after fertilization. In their ovule, the embryo sac will develop egg cell, synergid cell, antipodal cell. These haploid cell develops through the process of meiosis division. But in apomixis there is no meiosis. Simply diploid cell develop into embryo. So let us see the apomixis. The special mechanism of reproduction, special mechanism of reproduction in some species of plant through which seeds are produced without fertilization. Without fertilization means there is no syngamy, there is no meiosis division. Is called as apomixis. Means in apomixis meiosis division do not take place. Gametes are not going to form, gametes are not going to fuse. Simply in the ovule a diploid cell develop into diploid egg cell. Means itself without meiosis division that develop into egg cell or directly develop into embryo, and the ovule get converted into seed. So the special mechanism in which in the some plant species seeds are produced without fertilization, or you can say seeds are produced without fertilization, is called as apomixis. Let us see here what is going on in this case. What type of changes occur? You can see here in the most of the cases here in the ovule, what happened? In the ovule here the embryo sac, here the synergid cell, here is the egg cell, here polar nuclei, these are antipodal cell. All these are haploid. Generally what happened? Here male gamete, here young and young, they fuse, then form zygote, here this form endosperm, entire ovule get converted into seed. This is the fertilization. This is normal way of reproduction in plant. Normally the egg apparatus develops in the embryo sac, here antipodal cell, polar nuclei, egg cell, synergid cell, here male gamete will fuse. Generally here male gamete and here egg cell. This is male gamete and here is antipodal cell, and this is secondary or central cell. Generally, what happened? This male gamete fuses cell from zygote. This male gamete fuses central cell from primary sperm cell. Zygote develop into embryo, and this after triple fusion, central cell develop into endosperm. Entire ovule get converted into seed. But in the case of apomixis, what happened? In the case of apomixis, suppose here is this ovule. In this ovule, simply one diploid cell, this diploid nucleus cell develop in size, that is megaspore mother cell, but it do not undergo meiosis division. Here in normal condition, this diploid cell of nucleus do not undergo meiosis. Do not undergo meiosis. Simply mitosis division. Simply mitosis division, and it give rise what? Embryo. It get converted into embryo. It do not undergo meiosis division. Simply mitosis, and give rise here in the nucleus cell. It give rise embryo. Here it divide and divide and divide. It divide and divide and divide, and it give rise embryo. Suppose it form embryo this way. So embryo will develop inside this. Means there is no meiosis like this. Do not undergo meiosis. This diploid cell undergo mitosis. Diploid cell undergo mitosis. Do not undergo meiosis. Undergo mitosis. Nucleus cell undergo mitosis division. It undergo mitosis division and produce this somatic embryo. Somatic embryo. It is not an embryo which developed by the zygote. Here zygote formation occurs. But there is no zygote formation. Simply diploid cell undergo division and division and division, produce somatic embryo. So this is a type of asexual reproduction. A type of asexual reproduction means, suppose here is a potato, here eye mark, and here one bud-like structure develops, and this bud-like in potato, and somatic division, mitosis division occurs. Then bud-like structure develops, and this bud-like structure develops into new plant. So this is the vegetative propagation, asexual reproduction. Earlier we have studied. Somatic cell gives rise new plant. Here also, the somatic cell of nucleus. There is no gamete formation, female gamete or male gamete is coming and fusing. Only the somatic cell, diploid cell of the nucleus undergo mitosis division, becomes multicellular and forms somatic embryo. Means there is no genetic variation. Here male gamete is coming from one flower, female gamete is here in the embryo sac. They are fusing, two type of genome are going to mix. Then some genetic variation takes place. Zygote will develop and develop into embryo. But here in the apomixis, there is no such type of gamete formation. Simply the diploid cell increase in size, just like megaspore mother cell diploid. But in here, megaspore mother cell undergo meiosis division, but here do not undergo meiosis division. Simply mitosis division, keep divide and divide and divide and produce somatic embryo. And the somatic embryo when develops, then entire this ovule get converted into this ovule get converted into seed. And means without fertilization, ovule get converted into seed. So when seed is going to develop without fertilization, embryo is going to form, but this embryo is from the single diploid cell of the nucleus. There is no fertilization. So when the seed develops without fertilization is called as apomixis. So what is the difference between these two? When here fertilization occurs, embryo develops, endosperm develops, this seed, ovule get converted to seed. This is also seed, this ovule also get converted to seed. What is the difference? When here two type of gamete, male and female gamete are going to fuse, then here genome, two type of genome are going to fuse from the same species, different plant. Some little genetic variation will take place. During gamete formation, segregation of allele takes place. But here there is no segregation because mitosis division. Exact similar type of genome are going to hand over. What type of genome is present here? Set of genome is going to hand over here. Again, when it develop into plant, the set of genome will be the same. So it is like a asexual, just like potato, bud will appear, bud shall multiply, mitosis division occurs, then new plant appear. Means what type of genome here? Same type of genome, genetically identical. पहला वाला जो पौधा था उसी तरह का जेनेटिकली आइडेंटिकल यहाँ बनेगा वेजिटेटिव रिप्रोडक्शन में, लेकिन यहाँ पे सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन में एकदम आइडेंटिकल नहीं बनेगा क्योंकि टू टाइप ऑफ जीनोम आर गोइंग टू फ्यूज. हियर सेम सेल ऑफ न्यूक्लियस divide and produce diploid embryo. It means the same genome is going to pass here. Mitosis division हुआ, सेम जीनोम इज गोइंग टू पास, मीन्स आइडेंटिकल. जैसे पौधे में एक ओव्यूल है, इससे जो सीड बनेगा फिर पौधा बनेगा, दैट विल बी एग्जैक्ट आइडेंटिकल. मीन्स इट इज ए टाइप ऑफ asexual reproduction. But here ovule is going to form, embryo is going to form. Means this is a type of asexual reproduction but mimic to sexual reproduction. Mimic means नकल करना. ये एक तरह का ये सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन ही है, लेकिन नकल किसकी हो रही है? सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन की. यहाँ ये सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन है और यहाँ ये सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन है. दिस इज पार्ट ऑफ sexual reproduction. क्यों? Male and female gamete are going to fuse. But here this is the asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction in which when seed will be produced, here seed will be produced. That seed will be totally, this seed will be produced and this seed will be what type of seed? Apomictic seed, because this seed is produced by apomixis. यह seed कैसे बना? By the apomixis. Apomixis means the diploid cell of nucleus, it grows, undergo mitosis division, not meiosis, mitosis, give rise embryo, and this ovule get converted seed. The same cell, same genome is going to accumulate here, and when it give rise new plant, that new plant will be similar to previous plant, exact similar to previous plant. So we can say that apomixis is a type of asexual reproduction but mimic sexual reproduction. Why mimic sexual reproduction? Because here in sexual reproduction ovule formation is going on, embryo formation is going on. Here in apomixis also the ovule is here. Here the diploid cell undergo mitosis division and produce embryo. Here meiosis division occur, here mitosis division occur. Here fusion of two type of genome, here through the two gamete, male and female gamete. Here no fusion of male and female gamete. Single cell develop into embryo and this ovule get converted seed. So the special mechanism of reproduction in some species where without fertilization ovule get converted into seed, that is called as apomixis. Nowadays this apomixis is very much important in the reference of seed production. You see the many seed production industry are there, many agriculture institute are there who are producing hybrid seed. They are producing hybrid seed to increase the production. Several food grain crops, vegetable crops, hybrid crops are going to produce. The desired quality of two plants are taken. Then the male and female gamete are artificially fused. Then the desired allele of the two different plant accumulate into the embryo in seed, and that is hybrid seed. And now farmers are propagating that seed and they are getting more production. But one problem is here, the hybrid seed once produced, when propagated by the farmers, that seed will grow, germinate, produce new plant, produce more seeds. The production will increase. But this seed again farmer cannot use. Why? Because this seed produced by hybrid plant, when again they will use, that seed will germinate, produce plant, bear flower, again gametogenesis occur, meiosis division, then the allele undergo segregation. When allele will get segregated, then in next generation quality will reduce due to segregation of allele, and that will be not more profitable, production will not increase. So the farmers are bound to purchase seed, hybrid seed every year from seed production agency. And this hybrid seed production is very costly. So what plant breeders and agriculture biologists, scientists are searching? They are searching about the gene, the apomictic gene. Here the apomixis occurs due to presence of apomictic gene. These apomictic gene are certainly present in this plant. Which plant? In the plant of certain family, like in the plant of Asteraceae family and grasses. The apomixis generally occurs. Apomixis occurs. It is common in plant of Asteraceae family and grasses. In the plant of Asteraceae family and grasses, in their cell, a special kind of gene is present that is called apomictic gene. When the nucleus cell, diploid nucleus cell, 2n nucleus cell increase in size without going meiosis division, it undergo mitosis division. Keep dividing by mitosis division, becomes multicellular and develop into somatic embryo. And this ovule get converted into seed. That is apomictic seed. So plant breeder and biologists are trying to search apomictic gene, and this gene now can be used in production of hybrid seed. When this gene is introduced into hybrid plant, then the hybrid plant will also produce such seed in which apomictic gene is present, and due to presence of apomictic gene, when that seed will grow into plant and bear flower, then ovule in the ovary. In that ovary, that gene will regulate the mitosis division of the nucleus cell, diploid cell. And due to mitosis division, the gene will regulate the synthesis of production of somatic embryo. And this embryo will develop without fertilization, means apomictic seed. Then quality of the hybrid will remain maintained because there is no meiosis division, there is no segregation, there is no crossing over, there is no exchange of genetic material. There is no fusion of two different type of gamete. Only the same plant, hybrid plant cell. Suppose ये हाइब्रिड प्लांट है, इसमें कैपिटल टी स्मॉल टी है, तो इसमें रहेगा ही रहेगा, वो सेग्रीगेट नहीं होगा. तो ड्यू टू दिस the same quality will maintain here. The hybrid seed, apomictic hybrid seed will produce, it will maintain its quality generation after generation, year after year. So farmer will not go to seed production agency to purchase the seed, harvest seed every year. They can use their own seed and it will be cheaper. So apomixis is the special kind of reproduction in certain species of the family Asteraceae and some grasses in which seeds are produced without fertilization. This is called as apomixis. This is a kind of asexual reproduction which mimic the sexual reproduction. So apomixis is very much useful, and scientists, biologists are trying to know about the apomictic gene which is responsible for that, and now this gene will be used for production of apomictic seed, hybrid seed, which can maintain its quality year after year. So this is all about the apomixis. Now second phase of this topic, I will discuss about the polyembryony. What is the polyembryony? Polyembryony. Polyembryony. Polyembryony means the phenomena production of more than one embryo in a seed. The phenomena of production of more than one embryo in a seed is called as polyembryony. Means the occurrence of more than one embryo in a seed is called as polyembryony. If you will see the seed of citrus fruits like lemon, like orange and mango, there are more than one embryo. How these more than one embryo are produced? The nucleus cell which surround the embryo sac, some nucleus cell becomes active, undergo mitosis division, becomes multicellular and protrude in the embryo sac and develop into embryo. So more than one embryo develops. This is called as polyembryony. So polyembryony occurs in seeds of citrus plant and mango. Citrus plant like lemon, orange and mango. How it occurs? Suppose here is one ovule, here is one ovule, here is the embryo sac, here is the embryo sac. In this embryo sac, of course, here is synergid cell, this is egg cell, here secondary nuclei, here is antipodal cell. Now, this will after fertilization, this will develop into zygote, then embryo. In next step, after fertilization, here this will develop into embryo. This fuse then form embryo here. Suppose here one embryo develops. This is one embryo. But here the cell which are present, nucleus cells, these nucleus cells which surround the embryo sac. This is embryo sac. This also undergo division by mitosis and it protrudes inside the embryo sac. And here when protrudes inside the embryo sac, this form one more embryo. From here also this protrudes and form one more embryo. Here also it developed to form embryo. So many embryo develops in the nucleus, and here inside the embryo sac also some will comes here and form embryo. So more than one embryo, this way more than one embryo develops. And here is the true embryo. Here this is the true embryo. Why true embryo I am telling? Because it develops after fertilization, but these are the somatic embryo. These are called as somatic embryo. These are called as somatic embryo. Somatic embryo. So you can see here the one ovule contain embryo sac. Here egg cell fertilized to form zygote then embryo. Second nuclei fused by male gamete to triple fusion then endosperm. But here this nuclear cell undergo mitosis division and it form embryo and it protrude inside the embryo sac. So one embryo, two embryo, three, means many, here also many embryo develops. This condition is called as polyembryony. Here polyembryony means more than one embryo, polyembryony in a seed. When this seed will develop, it contains more than one embryo. Generally it is found in citrus fruit, citrus plant and mango. The nuclear cell undergo mitosis division and produce more than one embryo. So this is called as polyembryony. Thank you very much.